Hello, welcome to Astronautics for Exploit. This is Dr. Ayushola Ogundele. Applications and use cases of emerging airspace Ignore-Osphere, catalyzed by high-altitude balloons, solar-powered drones, and hypersonic vehicles. The near space, an emerging frontier for commercial, scientific, and military applications, and often referred to as the Ignore-Osphere, because of it being too high for traditional aircraft at a region about 20 kilometers and too low for satellites at a region below 100 kilometers, is now being utilized via high-altitude balloons, solar-powered drones, and hypersonic vehicles for various applications and use cases. Presently, several established aerospace giants and specialized startups are actively developing near-space systems for several applications and use cases such as telecommunications, surveillance, precision agriculture, and a host of others. Robotic balloons can react to hurricanes, floods, and wildfire. They provide detailed views of defensible space. In the area of telecommunication, emerging 5G and 6G integration through near-space vehicles provides universal connectivity in remote regions. The focus points are as follows: telecommunication and connectivity, enhanced Earth observation and scientific research, defense and national security, and tourism and commercial travel. Telecommunication and connectivity. Typically, the region between 20 and 100 kilometers above Earth is an emerging frontier for commercial, scientific, and military applications. The picture here illustrates Near Space Labs launch of Swift 3. Emerging near space application and use cases in the area of telecommunications and connectivity are as follows: direct-to-device connectivity, stratospheric communication platforms which operate between 20 to 100 kilometers. High-altitude radio satellite is shown in this picture. Direct-to-device and cellular expansion involves the following applications: 6G integration and air optimization, ubiquitous 5G 6G connectivity, filling coverage gaps, and seamless roaming. High-altitude UAV is illustrated in this picture. Critical infrastructure and industrial IoT involves asset tracking and logistics, continuous monitoring of shipping containers and high-value assets, utility and energy monitoring, remote management of oil rigs, pipelines, and smart grids. Illustration of cell high-altitude pseudo satellite is shown in this picture. Other critical infrastructure are Internet of Things in space, smart agriculture. High-altitude pseudo satellite is illustrated in this picture. Optical and quantum communication has the following applications: laser inter-satellite link, space-based quantum communication, and free space laser technology. The most worn autonomous Halo robot is shown in this picture. Emergency response and disaster resiliency. The following are the applications: rapid communication restoration. High-altitude satellites can be deployed in hours in order to provide temporary cellular coverage for rescue teams. Wildland firefighting, providing dedicated 5G networks to firefighters. Disaster assessment, high-resolution sensors on high-altitude satellite platforms. Disaster response and resilience. Marine aerospace high-altitude satellite shown in this picture. Enhanced Earth observation and scientific research. It has the following applications in Earth observation and research: high-resolution precision, persistent monitoring. The picture here illustrates Halo advancing the readiness of science and technology. The system response, they provide critical cloud-penetrating synthetic aperture radar imagery. Precision agriculture, new sensors measure specific plant traits such as leaf mass area. Illustration of near space is shown in this picture. Scientific research and testing for atmospheric ground truth and life science. Near space communication strategy is shown in this picture. Material science, microgravity analogs. Two of Millennium Airstrip is illustrated in this picture. Defense and national security. Emerging applications are the stratospheric region are for transforming defense strategy by bridging gap between air and object satellites. High altitude airship is shown in this picture. For the defense and national security, we have deep sensing, resilient communication relay, near space communication network. Near space communication network in the 6G and beyond era is shown in this picture. Defense and national security application, missile defense and early warning, Ignore-Osphere, and signal intelligence. High altitude platform is shown in this picture. Defense and national security, gray zone signaling, and psychological operations. Stratoburst airships, high altitude pseudo satellite is shown in this picture. Tourism and commercial travel. Near space tourism and commercial travel are transitioning from experimental tests to scheduled services. Stratospheric balloons. This sector utilizes stratospheric balloons in order to carry passengers to altitude of about 30 to 40 kilometers. Airbus is a high altitude system is shown in this picture. Emerging tourism use cases are stratospheric glamping, overview effect experience. High altitude to the satellite is shown in this picture. Other tourism use cases are multi-day adventure excursions and scientific and educational tourism. Near space network antennas is shown in this picture. For more information, contact Astronautics for Exploit. You've been listening to application and use cases of emerging near space Ignore-Osphere, catalyzed by high altitude balloons, solar powered drones, and hypersonic vehicles. Presented by Dr. Anyashola Ugundele. With the focus points: telecommunication and connectivity, enhanced Earth observation and scientific research and test, defense and national security, tourism and commercial travel. Thank you.